Hi Lions, which desire of yours will 2025 fulfill? In this reading, let us take a look at what is it that you've been wanting for a very, very long time. A desire, a deep, deep, deep desire which you have been wanting maybe for years and years, and now 2025 will fulfill it for you. Let us see which one this is. Okay, this card has something to say. Your first oracle card. And now let's pull out your tarot cards. Your first tarot card. This wants to say something. And this one. And let's pick up this one. And this. Okay. So we have your cards out. Let us start with your main oracle card, the Shaman. Now, if you look at this card, you will see, if you look at the details on this card, you will see these three skulls here. You see very interesting and very strange things on this card. You see this snake. You see a diamond. You see a hand, which is only a hand and nothing else. And you see this, it's almost like the universe in the background. And it looks very mysterious also. You see a lot of stars here. The Shaman card is about the mysteries of life. It is about hacking into the untapped energies. Actually, the Shaman card is about a lot of things which are related. As you look at the card, you can automatically make out it is about the mysterious things which we don't understand. Like if you see skulls, then it is about death. It is about transformations, about diving into the unknown, mysteries, trying to understand and make out what the mysteries mean. So basically it is also about studying. It is about being a student, being a good student, okay? And then it is about finding the mentor who will guide you into the world of the unknown. And then because we are entering such a world, we are also focusing on healing ourselves in this card. So now here we have three different aspects for you, Leo. In terms of the desires, you may experience one or you may experience all these three desires of yours being fulfilled. One is for those who have been wanting to study something, research something. 2025 will enable that for you. If you wanted to go back to college, you wanted to take up a research or even research-based job or project, that will happen. Then for those of you Lions who have been facing physical or health issues, ailments, this year will bring health, good health. You will heal. It will give you healing. And this healing is not only about physical healing. This is also about things like healing your chakras, healing your light, healing your energies. So you can be going a lot into alternative therapies like maybe Reiki, Ayurveda, or there are so many there is sound healing. So there is so many different kind of alternative healing methods. You can benefit from those. In fact, the shaman card is more about healing through alternative methods. For example, it could be healing through healing meditation, following some kind of a meditation routine. Now, these two, and then the third one is a very deep one. For a lot of you, this will mark the onset of your journey into the unknown, the mysteries of the universe or the mysteries of human life, things that are not known. This can be anything ranging from getting into occult sciences. Okay, maybe you would want to be a student of the occult sciences. You would want to study that, or you could get into things like meditation, tantric practices, any kind of other kind of alternative kind of things, witchcraft, etc. Basically, you will be intrigued. Not that you will be intrigued now. Since this is a long-standing desire, you have been intrigued. It has been inside you for a long time to know about other things which cannot be understood by the human mind directly. Now is when you will start on a journey towards understanding these things, studying these things. For some of you, it can mark the next phase. For some of you who are already into these things, for example, if you've already learned some ancient science, maybe you've learned astrology or tarot in the past, or maybe you've learned some kind of a practice like dark magic. Now, in 2025, you can actually begin to practice. So this is also about going on to the next level. Okay, and practicing these things. For some of you, you will start practicing healing. You may want to learn healing, get healed, or start to practice healing. So the themes around studying, research, healing, and the unknown, these are the prominent themes, and whatever desires you've had around these themes are about to be fulfilled in 2025 for you. And actually, this doesn't come as a surprise because right now, astrologically also, Saturn and Rahu are in an exchange of nakshatra. Saturn is in Rahu's nakshatra and Rahu is in Saturn's nakshatra. So, for you, Lions, this is happening in the 7th and 8th house. The 8th house is getting activated. And the shaman is all about the 8th house, the hidden, the unknown. So yes, we can expect a lot of mysterious things for you here. 2nd house, resources. Now we were talking about the 8th house and then we have the 2nd house. So the 2nd 8 is getting activated. This is interesting because Ketu is right now in the 2nd house for Lions. And Rahu is in the 8th house. In any case, the 2-8 axis is activated. So, for you Lions, this is really interesting and it is really coinciding with what the astrological placements are saying right now, the transits are saying, that on the one hand, you will get 8th house benefits in 2025, and on the other hand, you will experience financial benefits. Because second house, which is of resources, which is about finances, which is about family, is also getting activated here. So, and these two cards coming in together, I'd say you can also earn as you learn, or you can earn through whatever you have learned. You can start practicing and it'll fetch you good income. Okay, so those were your oracle cards. Let us turn to your tarot cards. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is interesting here because Queen of Cups is about intuition. And you need intuition, and you have probably been wanting to develop your intuition in these areas for a long time. Nine of Swords. This is, it's almost like this is something which was, for some of you, it was foretold or prophesied in a dream. That is what it looks like, that some kind of an intuition probably coming through your dreams could even be hindering your sleep, causing you worry. So this is something which, and also especially for you, for those of you who have not been healthy in the past, it could be physical health. For some of you, it could be mental health also, which you have been wanting to. That is why I see these 2 to 3 parallel things here. Okay, studying, healing, occult, mysteries, all of these are happening simultaneously. And I wouldn't be surprised, Leo, if for most of you, you have at least 2 of these things getting activated. 7 of Cups. Okay, so this is a confusing area, right? It doesn't give instant clarity. So even if you come across this 2025, you will feel confused and baffled about it. Maybe because it is so vast, so deep a field, you will feel kind of confused to begin with, and it will not be an easy thing to deal with. Even though it has been something you wanted, it will stress you out to begin with, okay? 10 of Wands and the Magician. In the beginning, this is feeling like a lot to handle. And not surprisingly, because, these are fields which work unpredictably. So if you're a student, it'll feel like too much work. And if you're getting into healing to begin with, things can actually get aggravated before they calm down. You may feel that, allopathy directly submerges something, but most of the alternative medicines, they make you feel a little uncomfortable. They aggravate the situation. So for a lot of you who are trying to get healthy, things will first take a downward turn and then go up. But definitely with the Magician card here, this will mark a new beginning of life for you. Whatever is happening here will give you a lot of things. It'll give you finances plus fulfill your desires, but you will have to be prepared that when it actually happens in the beginning, it'll feel like a mess. It'll be like, this is what I had wished for, but we should be careful what we wish for. You'll almost feel like that. Okay? Hang on there. Let things smoothen out. And then things will get relaxed and you will see the positive effects of it in your life. It'll bring a lot of new changes and a lot of, it'll feel like you have manifested something you have been manifesting for a very long time. So, Lions, that was your reading. I hope it resonates with you. Please let me know in the comments section what desire it is out of these that you have been wanting and waiting for a very long time. I wish you a very lovely year ahead. Do take very good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.